I'm going to show you how to connect mobile hotspot to laptop or PC. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get this done, first of all you need to go to your phone, then you will launch your control panel, then you'll be able to see personal hotspot or hotspot. And if you are unable to see that, you just need to tap on your settings on your top right corner. Then you will go to your phone settings. Now you will scroll down, then go to mobile network. Then you'll be able to see your personal hotspot. Tap on it. You will set the device name and then the password for your hotspot. Now once you've done that, you will now go to your computer or your laptop. Then you will go to internet, the Wi-Fi there. Then you need to open, you need to turn on your hotspot on your phone. You need to open that button and ensure that your hotspot is on, and it can be identified here on your computer. So you will be able to see your mobile hotspot here on the computer or on your laptop. Just click on it. So by doing so, you will connect your mobile hotspot to your PC or to your computer or to your laptop. Now if you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.